All right, folks, today's quick video, we're going to be showing you how to cancel your SHOWTIME trial subscription if you've signed up with the Amazon Fire TV Stick or through Amazon homepage. So you want to go to Amazon.com. You want to make sure you are signed in, come up to the top right section, and it says, "Hello, Christopher," right here. Let's go ahead and drop it down. Again, just top right, drop it down. And we want to go over here down to memberships and subscriptions. That's like 10 down from the top, your account. Click on membership and subscriptions. And right here, it says you have a free trial ending soon. It ends today and renews at $10.99 a month plus tax. So I want to cancel it right now because it probably will charge me tomorrow. I'm not using it. I watched one movie with my trial, and this is where you can see your current subscriptions as well. For Amazon Prime, here's your free trial, and that's all I have, just Amazon Prime and my free trial. Okay, so now what we want to do is we want to go over to the right-hand side of the page. Over here, it says App Subscription Settings. Let's go ahead and hit that, and it's going to renew tomorrow. So now what we want to do is Actions. Go over to Actions right over here. Click on the down box to Actions, and we're going to go ahead and hit Turn Off Auto Renewal. So it doesn't really say cancel. It says Turn Off Auto Renewal. And that's going to mean that we are done with this. So Turn Off Auto Renewal. And right here, it confirms this by your subscription will end on 4/24. So they kind of make the wording a little bit skewed. Instead of like cancel your trial subscription or subscription, it just says turn off auto renew. So we're going to go ahead and turn off auto renew. And then here's where it confirms it by cancel your subscription. Do you mind telling us why you're canceling? And I'm just going to go ahead and click on dissatisfied with the content and service because there's really nothing else I want to watch besides one like movie that they have streaming on their service. They still want you to keep your subscription, but nope, we're going to continue to cancel. Hit continue to cancel. And subscription modified auto renewal has been turned off for your subscription. Right here gives a confirmation, ends on 4/24, will not renew automatically. And then once again, if you go over here to Actions, it will confirm it once again, will end on 4/24/23. And that is all you have to do once you get to this subscription modified confirmation page. That is it. Close out your Amazon tab and you are good to go. Thanks for watching, guys. Hit that thumbs up button if you wouldn't mind on your way out. Also subscribe for more. Don't let the party stop, guys. Hit one of these videos, continue to watch, and we'll see you soon.